What I liked about them, the flexibility, the seriousness of the company, and the simplicity of the product. So that's why we really love Iron PDF, and our users love it as well. My name is Wilfred Muishe. I am the CEO and founder of Willan Technologies, an IT firm based in Columbus, Ohio. When I was researching, I came across Iron Software and I just fell in love of all the features and everything. What I liked about them, the flexibility, the seriousness of the company, and the simplicity of the product. We are using Iron PDF for PDF generation, Iron Excel for Excel generation. Those are the only two that we are using right now, but knowing where Brainycom is going, we bought the entire suite of software that Iron Software has. Iron PDF picture rendering feature is really helpful to us because we just take it like a picture and then transform it into PDF. We want to be able to just copy whatever the user is seeing on the screen to PDF without having to do all the logistics. That's why we really love Iron PDF, and our users love it as well. Brainycom is huge for non-profit organizations because they need to be able to generate invoices, capture payment from their client or from their members and things like that. With Brainycom, you don't need to have a system for invoicing separate from a system for survey or election. You can just have all of this in one single platform. We are a startup. We do not have enough funding. If this software were not cost effective, Brainycom will not have had them. Brainycom will handle about 95%, if not more, of your task for you. Iron PDF, Iron Excel are a huge part of it. We want to trust Iron Software on anything because we know that they are basically working on pushing out updates on a daily basis. I will not hesitate to recommend Iron Software